This video will cover the specifications and procurement data for the Exide Xplore XLTZ4A motorcycle battery. We will examine its component details and pricing information. The Exide Xplore XLTZ4A battery is manufactured by Exide Industries Limited in Kolkata. Each package contains one unit. This battery is designed to power two-wheelers. Key specifications include a 12-volt output, 6 internal cells, and lead-acid chemistry for reliable performance. The lead-acid system consists of 6 internal cells, each generating 2 volts, which combine to produce the total 12-volt output of the battery. The battery is lightweight, weighing only 500 grams. This low mass simplifies the physical installation process for motorcycles. Customer feedback shows a strong rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars based on 56 reviews. Last month, buyers purchased over 100 units. The maximum retail price is 1,799 rupees. However, Exide applies a 38% discount, bringing the final price, inclusive of all taxes, down to 1,109 rupees. Buyers have flexible payment options, including EMI schedules starting at 101 rupees per month. Additional benefits include up to 33 rupees cash back with Amazon Pay ICICI credit cards and discounts up to 2,500 rupees with select credit cards. Contractors making business purchases can request a GST invoice, providing savings of up to 18%. In summary, the technical features include 12 volts power, a 6-cell lead-acid design, and a 500-gram mass. Commercial aspects highlight the 1,109 rupees cost, EMI options, and GST invoice savings. The purchase is designated as non-returnable. Amazon ensures secure delivery and processes a secure transaction for the battery.